What up, good people? What's going on? What's going on? Second part of this Donk bill. Got the whole dashboard tore out. I had to match the dashboard, glove box, the steering column with the color of the car. That's what the customer wanted. But it's coming together. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, it's just in the sunlight, it's gonna go crazy. Blue pearls, green pearls. I'm about to put all this back together. Put the dash back in. All original dash. But it's coming together. Finally got the wheels turned the right way. Had to take them to the wheel shop and have them flip them around because they was going the wrong direction. Coleons. But it's coming together. Got shit everywhere right now, my bad. But yeah, it's coming together, man. Got the speaker pods. Speaker pods done. For the front doors. Well, not the front doors, on the front, right there underneath the dashboard. Speaker housing. Trim that go around the glove box. Ashtray. Let's go around the steering column. And we got the whole bezel. I'm gonna put all that stuff back together. I'm putting it back in, but ain't really no need because he got the digital dash, but I'm still gonna put all this back together because the digital dash is actually at the other shop where the motor's at. So I'm gonna get this put back together. But it's on the way. It's on the way. That color gonna go crazy in the sunlight. Got a rose, like a rose gold base, a blue-green pearl, and then in the clear, I got an emerald green pearl. But it's coming out pretty good. Like I said, y'all stay tuned.